Here's how to add widgets on laptop desktop. I will show you two methods. For the first method, open the Start menu and search for Settings. Open the Settings application, then select Personalization from the menu on the left. Scroll down and click Taskbar. Find the Widgets option and make sure it's switched on. Once you've enabled it, close the Settings window. Now, press the Windows key and the W key together on your keyboard. This will open the Windows Widgets panel. From here, click the plus icon next to the Widgets section. You'll then see a list of available widgets that you can add. Select the widget you'd like to use. After selecting your preferred widget, click Pin. The widget will now be added to your Widgets panel. Whenever you press the Windows key and W together, you can open the Widgets panel and access the widgets you've added from the left side of the screen. If you want to place widgets directly on your desktop, you'll need to use a different method. Start by opening the Start menu and searching for Microsoft Store. Open the Microsoft Store application. In the search field, type Widgets and perform the search. You'll see several applications that provide different widget options. I'll use this one, Widget Launcher. Select the application and click the blue Get button to install it. Once the installation is complete, click Open. Now, choose the widget you'd like to display on your desktop. For example, you can select a calendar. Depending on the widget, you may be able to adjust different settings and customize its appearance. Once you're happy with your settings, click Launch Widget at the bottom of the window. If an advertisement appears, wait a few moments for it to finish. Then, click Launch Widget again if necessary. The widget should now appear directly on your desktop. You can use the control icon in the bottom right corner of the widget to move it to your preferred location. Once you've positioned it where you want, you can close the Widget Launcher application. The widget will remain visible on your desktop, and that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.